Dear student, let's start next topic, that is secondary sexual characters. The changes in boys and girls are caused by hormones which are different in the two cases. The character which develop in males and females at the time of attaining sexual maturity are called secondary sexual characters. Now let's see, during the age of 13 to 14 years, following changes takes place in male. Hair grow on face, means mustache and beard appear, and other parts of the body like chest, armpits, and in pubic regions, genital areas between the thighs. The body become more muscular due to the development of muscles. The penis and testes become larger and testes start to produce sperm. Feelings and sexual drives associated with adulthood begin to develop. Similarly, in case of females between the age 10 to 12 years of age, following changes occur. Hair grow in pubic region, means genital area, and extra hair in armpits. The breast, means mammary gland, milk producing gland, develops and enlarge. The voice become high pitched. Extra fat is deposited in various parts of the body such as hips and thighs. Fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina enlarge. Menstruation starts and ovaries start to release eggs. Feelings and sexual drives associated with adulthood begin to develop. Now let's see what is exocrine gland and endocrine glands. Let's see. Glands such as liver or salivary glands that discharge their secretions directly into ducts are referred to as exocrine glands. Let's see next, that is endocrine gland. These lack definite duct for the transportation of the secretion but pour them directly into the blood. Therefore, these glands are called ductless glands. Their secretions are called hormones. So what is hormones? Hormones are chemical substance released by our endocrine glands. Okay. Now let's see next topic, that is what initiates changes in males and female during puberty. Changes that takes place in female and males are brought about by chemical substance called hormones that are secreted by endocrine glands. Dear students, in boys, the hormone testosterone is secreted by the testes on the onset of puberty that causes changes you have learned about it. In girls, the hormone estrogen is secreted by the ovary that are responsible for the development of mammary gland in the breast. Production of these hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted from the endocrine gland situated in the brain called pituitary gland. And pituitary gland is also known as master glands because it controls all the activity of the body. Hormone initiate reproductive functions. Next topic. Hormones are directly released into the bloodstream but only show their effect in a particular part called the target site. Different hormone control different function of the body and its parts, but it is the sex hormone only which control the sexual characters and functions of the body. Let's see. Pituitary gland secretes many hormones including follicle stimulating hormone FSH. Follicle stimulating hormone stimulates the testes to secrete testosterone and the ovaries to secrete estrogen. These are released in the bloodstream and reach the target site. It brings changes in the body on the onset of puberty. Okay.